The purpose of this video tutorial is to explain how to change the field properties in a database entry. The fields in Extensim are the columns inside your database. So first you want to open your database. Now if it shows up in this view, you want to go to the schema view and then highlight the field whose properties you want to change, and then click Edit Field Properties, or you can double click. Once you're there, you can change the field type via this drop-down menu. Then click Save and Close, and you're done.